Hello everyone, welcome to Chemical Engineering Education. Today we are solving Benzene-Toluene fractional distillation problem in DWSIM version 9.0.5. Our goal is to produce high purity toluene from the binary mixture. Let me show you the problem. Then I will build it in DWSIM step by step. Here is our problem. Feed stream 60% benzene and 40% toluene, and feed rate is 100 kilomoles per hour, and feed is in saturated liquid with temperature 25 degrees centigrade. You know, benzene boils at 80 degrees centigrade. It is our light component going to the overhead and it is called as a distillate. Toluene boils at 111 degrees centigrade, so that is our heavier component at the bottom. This is an ideal binary system and it is very perfect for Raoult's law. So our distillation column has 21 equilibrium stage, reflux ratio of 2.31, and here I will consider property package Raoult's law because that solution is ideal and operating at atmospheric pressure. Here is our design objective, produce high purity toluene at the bottom, and our target is benzene in bottom should be less than 1 mole percent. That means 99% pure toluene will get, that will meet polymer get precipitation. In DWSIM we will calculate optimal distillate flow rate, distillate composition and purity, bottom composition, and I will verify less than 1% benzene, and temperature profile stage by stage, composition profile through the column. Now let's open the DWSIM and I will guide the simulation step by step. Here is our DWSIM. So I am opening that. Just wait for a few seconds. So it will open. Alright, here is DWSIM 9.0.5 on my screen. Let's start from the scratch. Now here first create new simulation. So click on create new and then it will open simulation configuration wizard. So here I have to select the compound. So first go to the next, then from here the database I have to select the compound. First is benzene. So here benzene, I am just added the benzene and then toluene. So here I am added toluene. So then go to next. Now here I have to select the property package. So in our problem that is in binary mixture, so I am selecting the Raoult's law. Then go to the next. Now here I have to select the system of units. So here it is showing the SI unit. I am taking custom unit. So C5. Here I am changing that pressure bar to ATM. So then everything is okay. Now I am going to select next, and we don't have to do anything. Then going to the next and then finish. Now here I have to select the column. So column I am taking distillation column. So I am just drag and drop. Okay, so this is my distillation column. Okay, now everything is okay. So I am reorganize here. Okay. Now first I am renaming everything. So that is feed stream 1. So in that feed stream I am renaming as a feed. Now first you have to write the name and then enter, and then 2, that is distillate, and then 3, so that is bottom product. Okay, now here I am also changing that name of the distillation column. So here distillation column. Okay, now here, so this is our condenser duty. So I am writing as a C duty. And then here this is our reboiler duty. Reboiler, so our duty, that will be better. Okay. Now first I have to put the feed condition. So in that feed condition, so here I am taking that feed is 25 degrees centigrade and pressure is 1 atm. And in molar flow, in that problem, that is given that 100 kilomole per hour. So I am putting that. And here that compound amount, so benzene is 0.6 mole fraction, and that 60%, and toluene is 40%, 0.4. So you can see here, so total is 1, so then I have to accept everything, accept. Now feed is okay. So now here you can see the benzene is 0.6, toluene is 0.4, temperature 25 degrees centigrade, pressure 1 atm, and phase is liquid, saturated liquid. Okay, now I'm going to the distillation column. So feed is fixed, I'm going to the distillation column. In the distillation column, so here the number of stage is 21. Okay, so here things are very sensitive, so you have to wait for some time. So then it will take all this data. And column pressure drop I can take as a 0.1 pressure drop. Okay, trace sizing leave as it is, everything is okay here. Okay, now specification, condenser, that is total condenser. I am not taking any other thing, so it is total condenser. Pressure drop is 0, and then reflux ratio in our problem, that is 2.31, that is given. Okay, and we don't have to do any other things. And reboiler means in the bottom product, so that benzene will be less than 1. So here I am selecting that compound fraction in the product stream. So here that compound is benzene, and molar, so that is 1%, less than 1% benzene should be in the bottom product, so that's why I am putting 0.01. now you can check everything is okay. Okay, specification, reboiler, everything is okay. Now stages, so here, so stages is, it is showing 11, so means in general I think we have to enter that. Okay, and then here again 0.1, because it is not taking that value. Now here you can see that total is that right now showing 20, reboiler is 1, or if you take that condenser, that will be 1, partial condition 1, total is 21. Okay, I think everything is showing correctly. Specification, see here, that is again changing, so 0.01. okay, and then condenser, see here, that is not changing, 2.31. okay, so now I hope everything is okay. Specification, reboiler, everything is okay. Now here stages, so condenser is here efficiency 1, everything is there. Okay, now connection. Now here I don't have to do anything. Now here in 6 I'm putting as a feed. Okay, and then here that feed stage location, so stage location maybe I'm putting in stage 9, that is the feed is in stage 9. We don't have to do, I'm not taking side draw. Specification, that feed is stage 9. Okay, so connecting port feed, port is feed. Okay, everything is okay, I hope so. Now we don't have to do anything. Okay, so now specification is everything, condenser is also everything okay, fine, and everything. Now here I'm just solving, so solve that. So here that solve reach the maximum number of iteration, so here I am increasing the iteration number to 100 to 500, so 500, and then again solve. Now if I solve that, it will take some time. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Okay, now you can see, so everything is that in blue, means now I got the solution. So now here, if you see here, if you see the result means here you can see the reboiler, that condenser duties 18687.68, reboiler duty 1996.86. okay, so here minus signs because we are giving the hit to the reboiler. Now here that iteration taken 12, estimate height is 1150, estimate diameter is given. Now here everything you can see here, condenser pressure drop is 0, condenser duty, everything is there. Then number of stages 21, pressure drop, then estimate height, estimate diameter. Now you can check the bottom product. In the bottom product you can see that benzene is 0.009, means less than 1%. Okay, and toluene is 0.99. Okay, so we are separating toluene, benzene from toluene. And then distillate, you can see that benzene is rich, that is 0.99 mole fraction, and toluene is 0.001, less than 1% toluene. So everything is good. We get a good result. Now here, if I view the temperature, pressure, and composition profile, you can see here. So in the different stages, and here is the temperature versus stages. So you can see the plot. Okay. Now here, if you see the flow, so interstage flow, and this is the stage, you can get that the information. And component flow, you can see. Okay, so different component flow in different stages, how it is happening. Okay, so that is given here in the plot. Then component fraction, you will get that. Okay, so many things you can get. And table, you can see here in every stages what will be that benzene volume, toluene volume, benzene in the liquid, and toluene liquid. So everything you will see in the table. Okay, now here view properties file. So here in each stage, what is the pressure, what is the temperature, what is the molar flow rate, everything you can easily get from that view properties profile. So that's it. Thank you.